Good afternoon and thanks for joining us in the news. My name is Ufot Udoakan. Akwa State is on its way to join the League of South-South States with the ban on open grazing. The State House of Assembly during plenary yesterday accorded the executive bill an accelerated hearing leading to its first and second readings in this same session. Legislative Affairs correspondent Uyokoswa reports.
The bill, entitled A Bill for a Law to Prohibit Open Rearing and Grazing of Livestock and Provide for the Establishment of Ranches and Livestock Administration, Regulation and Control, was received through a message from the Governor, read by the Clerk of the House. After the first reading of the bill and a unanimous decision to accord it accelerated hearing, the Leader of the House, Sir Udoki Renakpan, who represents Orowanam State constituency, led the debates.
The purpose of this bill is to set an agenda to prohibit the casual and open rearing of animals along our streets and find a way to establish areas where the ranches can be done and we rear animals in a manner that is in consonance with those global best practices.
The bill received massive support, with many legislators recounting the ordeals of their constituents with herders.
I want to thank the Executive Governor of Akwa State for standing upright to make sure that the people elected him and he has to protect life and property. Because the menace associated with open grazing, Mr. Speaker, is very, very bad.
You don't bring your own business to come and focus. Because definitely there's going to be clash. And when there's clash, there's going to be security breach. And when there's security breach, you never can tell what will happen. August 12, 2019, Premier County reported that herdsmen killed on Friday April a farmer from Ikon Obios of the Ibom local government area. These are the ones reported by national media houses. 1,000 and dozens of other ones are now reported. It is happening every day.
Those in Ibom say aye. Those in Ibom say nay. The second time community committee on agri and natural resources and also land and housing and urban renewal.
The House also during the session received and read the first time a bill for a law to amend the Traditional Rulers Council Law, Cap 134, Laws of Akwa Ibom State, 2000, and a bill for a law to prohibit the use of public schools for holding events during school hours in Akwa Ibom State. The next sitting of the House is on Tuesday, September 12. Uyokoswa, AKBC News.